Did you know that after 60, your legs lose muscle mass 3 times faster than your upper body? The thing is, many of us accept getting weaker as we age. But here's the exciting news. There's a simple exercise approach that can reverse leg weakness in just weeks. In this video, I'll show you that approach, as well as the top 5 science-backed exercises you need to do to keep your legs strong and functional, especially if you're over 60. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about something most doctors won't mention. Your legs aren't just for walking. They are one of the clearest indicators of overall health and independence. Leg muscles make up nearly half of your total muscle mass. When they weaken, it creates a domino effect. Less movement, poorer circulation, and strain on your heart, brain, and immune system. Studies show that stronger legs are linked to better survival rates and a lower risk of disability. Maintaining leg strength isn't just about staying active, it's about staying independent. Even better, the right targeted exercises can restore up to 75% of lost muscle in just 12 weeks, even in adults over 70. That's exactly what the 5 exercises we're about to cover do. Focusing on the muscles that weaken first: calves, quads, glutes, ankles, and overall leg power. Each exercise has variations for every fitness level. Before we get started, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's start with exercise number 1. Standing calf raises. This is something I recommend to almost every patient in my clinic that is over 60. It is the standing calf raise. Calf raises target the muscles in your lower legs, which are crucial for walking, maintaining balance, and preventing that shuffling walk pattern that increases fall risk. But what people don't know is that calf raises also help stabilize your ankles, which is essential for walking on uneven surfaces. Here's how to perform standing calf raises correctly. Stand near a wall or sturdy counter for balance. Place your feet hip-width apart and keep your body upright with good posture. From here, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as comfortable. Hold at the top for 2 seconds, really feeling your calf muscles working. Then slowly lower back down with control. And here's the key. Go slowly, especially on the way down. The lowering phase is where you actually build the most strength. Start with 2 sets of 10 repetitions. If this feels too easy, you can progress by doing the exercise on one leg at a time. If it feels too challenging, keep both hands on the counter and just focus on smooth, controlled movement. As always, listen to your body. Start gradually and increase the difficulty only as your strength and confidence improve. So, now that you understand this golden rule and approach, let's dive into exercise number 2. This one is focused on strengthening your quadriceps, the big muscles in the front of your thighs, which you use every single time you stand up, sit down, or climb stairs. But more importantly, wall sets help build endurance in these muscles, which is essential for maintaining your independence in daily activities. So, here's how to perform the wall set. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 2 feet away from the wall. Slowly slide your back down the wall until your knees are bent at about 45 degrees for beginners. Your knees should be aligned over your ankles, not jutting forward. Place your hands on your thighs for support if needed. From here, hold this position. Start with just 10 to 15 seconds. As you hold, focus on breathing deeply and keeping your abdominal muscles engaged. Imagine you're sitting in an invisible chair. I recommend 3 holds, gradually increasing your time each week. Remember the golden rule, 20% progression. So, if you held for 15 seconds this week, aim for 18 seconds next week. To make it easier, don't slide down as far. Keep your knees at a gentler angle. To make it harder, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, forming a 90-degree angle at your knees. Now, as with any exercise, listen to your body and progress gradually, starting slowly and increasing as you build strength and endurance. This exercise should take about 1 minute total. Before we move on, if you're still watching and finding this helpful, drop a number 2 in the comments to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Exercise number 3, glute bridges. Now that we've worked on strengthening your calves and quads, let's move on to an exercise that will target your glutes, the powerhouse of your lower body. Glute bridges, like Walsichis, are a key exercise for building stronger legs and maintaining balance. But that's not all. Glute bridges also engage your core muscles, helping to relieve stress on your spine and ease back pain, which is common in many of my patients. Over 60 research shows that strong glutes not only boost your ability to stand and walk, but also protect your lower back and knees from injury. So, Here's how to perform the glute bridge. Lie on your back on a comfortable surface like a yoga mat or your bed. Bend your knees and place your feet flat hip-width apart, about 6 in from your buttocks. Place your arms at your sides, palms facing down for stability. From here, engage your core by gently drawing your belly button down. As you inhale, press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Your body doesn't have to form a perfect straight line. Just lift as far as comfortable. Hold this position for 2 seconds, ensuring your glutes are engaged. Then exhale as you slowly lower your hips back down, maintaining control throughout the movement. Perform 2 sets of 10 repetitions to start. To make the glute bridge easier, start with smaller lifts, maybe just 2 to 3 in off the ground. You can gradually increase the height as you build strength. To make it more challenging, try the single leg variation. Lifting one leg while performing the bridge adds more intensity and engages your stabilizer muscles even more. Now, 2 key tips. Ensure that your core muscles are engaged throughout the movement and try not to overarch your lower back. Just make sure you're doing this in a smooth and controlled fashion. Exercise number 4, toe and heel walks. Now that we've strengthened your calves and glutes, it's time to work on an exercise that will improve your balance and ankle stability. This exercise does something special. It strengthens the small stabilizer muscles in your feet and ankles while also improving your proprioception, which is your body's ability to sense where it is in space. This is crucial for preventing falls and maintaining balance as you age. Here's how to do it. Find a clear walking path about 10 to 15 feet long. Stand near a wall or counter for safety. First, we'll do toe walks. Rise up onto the balls of your feet and walk forward, taking small, controlled steps. Walk for 10 to 15 steps, then rest. Next, we'll do heel walks. Lift your toes off the ground so you're balanced on your heels, and walk forward again, taking small steps for 10 to 15 steps. Keep one hand lightly touching a wall or a counter for balance if needed. The goal isn't speed, it's control. Focus on feeling those muscles working in your feet and lower legs. For beginners, just do 1 length of toe walks and 1 length of heel walks. As you get stronger, work up to 3 lengths of each. This exercise might feel awkward at first, and that's actually good. It means you're challenging muscles that haven't been used much. The toe and heel walk improves ankle strength, which directly translates to better balance and reduced fall risk. Before we begin the next exercise, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. We've got even more science-backed moves coming up. The 5th and final exercise is the step up, and in my experience, it's one of the most functional exercises for maintaining your mobility and independence as you age. If you're able to perform 8 to 10 repetitions of this exercise on each leg, it means you have the strength needed for essential daily activities like climbing stairs, stepping onto curbs, and getting in and out of cars. And because of its functional importance, I suggest most of my patients over 60 incorporate it into their regular routine. So, here's how to perform step up safely. Find a sturdy step like the bottom stair in your home, or use a step stool that's 4 to 6 in high. Stand facing the step with your feet hip-width apart. Place 1 foot fully on the step, making sure your entire foot is on the surface. From here, press through that heel to lift your body up, bringing your other foot to meet it on the step. Then step back down with control, 1 foot at a time, leading with the same foot. Keep a hand on a railing or wall for balance, especially when starting out. The key is control, not speed. Focus on using your leg muscles to lift yourself up, not momentum. Start with 1 set of 8 repetitions on each leg. Perform all 8 reps on one leg before switching to the other. To make it easier, use a lower step, even just 2 to 3 in high, like a thick book. To make it harder, use a higher step or hold light dumbbells in your hands for added resistance. Again. Aim for 1 set of 8 repetitions on each side and increase the numbers and the height of your step gradually as you build strength. Daily routine. So, now that you know how to strengthen your legs and maintain your independence, here's something even more exciting. There's a simple approach that can help you improve your walking and prevent knee pain. But before we get to that, let's quickly recap the key principles. These 5 exercises, standing calf raises, wall sits, glute bridges, toe and heel walks, and step-ups are scientifically proven to reverse muscle loss and improve leg strength in adults over 60. Here's an easy way to fit them into your day. Standing calf raises, 2 sets of 10 reps, morning near a wall or counter. Wall sit, 3 holds, 10 to 15 seconds each, anytime you need a quick strength boost. Glute bridges, 2 sets of 10 reps after your morning stretch or before bed. Toe and heel walks, 1 to 3 lengths each while walking around your hallway or kitchen. Step-ups, One set of 8 reps per leg on a step at home or outside, gradually increasing height or reps. Do this routine 3 to 5 times a week. Start slow, listen to your body, and increase effort by 20% each week. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your leg strength, balance, and independence. The research is clear. You can reverse muscle loss and regain your strength at any age. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and tell me in the comments which exercise you're starting with today. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed routines made for staying active and independent after 60. On the next video in ILL, show you that one simple trick that can instantly improve your walking and reduce joint pain. It's perfect for anyone over 60. I'll see you there.